More. You've asked for it, and here it is, a brisket marinated in sweet soy sauce. Let's find out if that is a good idea. Look, spring is here. We're building in the background, getting that beautiful barbecue barn done, and at the same time, we're cooking right here outside. Now today we're doing a highly requested Wagyu brisket, sweet soy marinated. We did the poll. 81% of you guys wanted us to do the brisket marinated in sweet soy sauce, so we had to do it. But there was a big comment from you guys, and you said, well, don't take a super expensive brisket, don't do something stupid. And we did not. I went to the bottom of my freezer and I found the one brisket down there that has frostbite. And here it is. I trimmed it up this morning. It looks good again and it's ready to be marinated. Time to put our sweet sauce onto our brisket. This stuff is super sticky, super sweet, super flavorful, and we need plenty of it on there. Now we don't need it to bathe in the sweet soy sauce. We're just going to apply a light coating. Make sure you rub it all in, both sides, all corners. And when it's done, put it in a vacuum bag, seal it up, and put it in the fridge for 24 hours. We marinated it for 24 hours. It's time to fire up the barbecue. We loaded up the master build with big block charcoal. Put a fire starter in, lit it up, and set it to a temperature of 120 degrees Celsius, which is 240 degrees Fahrenheit. Now let's take a closer look at that brisket. I cut the package open with a knife and took the brisket out, and immediately I got hit by that sweet soy smell, that fermented soybeans and all these spices that are in this sauce, and it smells fantastic. Now we take a look at our brisket and we see the color of the sauce penetrated into the meat. This means all of that flavors is in this brisket. This looks very promising. Let's put it on our master built smoker. We smoked our brisket with chunks of oak smoke wood for 2.5 hours. Now, let's take a closer look. Wow, this looks really promising. The brisket picked up a lot of smoke color. This is exactly what we're looking for. But at the same time, we can see that the ketchup mayonnaise, the sweet soy sauce that's still on this brisket, is caramelizing on the bottom. So we need to take it off, otherwise the ketchup mayonnaise is going to burn, and we don't want that. You are used to cooking briskets. You know that the initial smoking time is around 4 hours. And with the ketchup mayonnaise, the sweet soy sauce, it takes apparently around 2 to 2.5 hours to get that smoke profile onto your brisket. And you want to stop there because you don't want to burn the sugars in the sweet soy sauce. Now it's time to wrap, and the wrapping is an important part of the process because it will protect the brisket and at the same time let it cook a little faster. After 5 hours, our brisket reached a core temperature of 202 degrees Fahrenheit. We took it out of the barbecue and placed it in a cooler, where we're going to let it rest for another hour. We're making a nice bit of progress on our construction build, and I'm excited to show you guys this. We got some big timber framing going on here. This is Douglas wood. Solid wood. It's a bit of a challenge making videos in this situation, but we're going to make do. Because the end result, that's what counts. Whoa, whoa, look at that. Oh, it's swimming in a puddle. This is just mind-blowing. We got so much fat floating around in our paper, and we've got that beautiful quesap mayonnaise or sweet soy's color. That beautiful outside. So this can only mean we achieved our goal. Smoke, sweet soy sauce flavor, and beautiful Wagyu beef. Oh, this is the stuff of my dreams. If you wonder what I'm thinking about in the middle of the night, this is it. Yes, I know it sounds a bit crazy. Brisket marinated in sweet soy sauce. Oh, look at how juicy that is and how tender that is, and look, bouncy and yet a little bit of pull, so it doesn't really fall apart on us. A little bit of smoke ring, and of course a little bit of burned ends from that sweetness from the sweet soy sauce. Let's give it a try.
What did you do with this knife?
Nothing, got it.
It's slippery.
Oh my God, Morrison, it's horrible.
Yeah,
I think
right.
I'll have to sacrifice myself.
More.
This is literally the best brisket ever.
Man.
If I had to choose between salt and pepper and queso manis, I'll take this over black pepper and salt any day.
It's like brisket was meant to be like this.
It's smoky, it's sweet, it's got all these herbs in it that queso manis has. It's just really good. I must admit, this Snake River Farm Wagyu brisket is this. It is the. I was gonna say it's the peep, but it's really good. Oh,
This is the best burned end on a brisket I've ever tasted.
so tender, so juicy, so tasty. We could do competitions with this motion without even putting in the effort.
Okay, so the Wagyu snake farm, what's it called again? It did its part. That's kind of in the story as well. But the ketchup, yeah, it's the best thing you've ever decided to do.
Man, I'm so glad I posted that question. If you guys were interested in seeing a brisket marinated in sweet soy sauce, 81% says yes, do it. We did it. You guys are brilliant. I love you guys. If you enjoyed this video, then give us a big thumbs up and a comment down below. Big thank you to our patrons and our YouTube members. See you guys next time. Until then.
Eet smakelijk!
And keep on eating brisket marinated in sweet soy sauce. I'm gonna make this again tomorrow. This is really good. More than this is really good. I know I'm good, but I didn't know I was this good. It must be me. This is why the point where you say no, no. This is why you have to say no, Morrison. You can't be quiet like that.
I'll just let you talk.
Yeah, but then it's a trap. I love it. Can I have a beer?